this is Dr. Joe with Mountain Journey. As a plastic surgeon, I understand the importance of optics. We use those when we perform endoscopic plastic surgery, and having the ability to film properly a hunt was really desirable and pretty interesting. I already have a camera for a shotgun called a Tactacam, and it records high-speed video that on recoil will save 10 seconds before through 10 seconds after the shot. And it's quite instructive when you're shooting clay targets or other things to understand where you're shooting in relationship to the bird, etc. Also filming dove, duck, pheasant, geese hunts, things like that. But this has just come out fairly recently, Tactacam, T-A-C-T-A-C-A-M, and Tactacam is the ability to film your hunt, and that's quite fantastic. The Tactacam Solo is the one I'm reviewing and the one I purchased, but they also make, or used to make, a Tactacam 4. Currently I think they make a fisheye for underwater filming and a Tactacam 5. And the 5 is a 4K camera that can shoot 8x. This can shoot 3x. And when we're done with the review, I'll show you a video of a successful deer hunt I just had, and you can see that it's really quite good. So let's take a look at all the things that come with the Tactacam Solo Hunter Kit, and we'll review those. So this is the Tactacam Hunter package. It comes in this box, and the first thing that you see, and the Tactacam is within this. This is for bows. It'll fit as a counterweight. It'll fit directly into a 1/4 by 20 threaded part for your bow, and I think it would be fantastic for a compound bow. It would really be a really great feature. I got it for the gun, however. It comes with two mounts. This mount you can connect to a Picatinny rail here, which I do not have on my gun, and then the scope fits in here, or this type of a connection. This is either for a shotgun or a rifle, and this will clamp securely onto the barrel of the gun. When we look at the back here, we've got a number of spots. The USB cable connects for charging. The slot beneath it is for the micro SD card. And then this is the battery that fits into the battery compartment. And this is the micro SD card fitting into the slot. The cover fits on pretty nicely. It has a pin that fits into this small hole. So the pin fits into this hole, just like this. And then the cap rotates so it lines up with this lock position. And then for security, there's a latch here that you can lock it as well to keep it intact. There's only one button on this device. It's very simple. These are the functions of the single button. First, you push and hold, let go, and you'll feel two buzzes as it vibrates. The green light starts to blink and it's filming. You push it again just for a second, it'll vibrate again and turn solid. That means you're in pause mode. When you're in pause mode, you can connect via the Wi-Fi that connects to the app you can download. If you push and hold this 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, and let go, it'll turn blue-green, as you can see here, and then you can connect to your app. If you push it again for 3 seconds, 2, 3, it'll vibrate and go back to the pause mode. 1 second again from pause goes back into the record mode, and then push and hold, it will turn it off. Those are the functions of that. I've taken the back cover off the Tactacam, and we're going to connect the USB to the electrical cord and do some charging. So it fits just like this. The battery is in here, and we plug it in, and you can see that the single light illuminates red, showing that it's charging. When it's fully charged, it'll turn green. So that's a very simple thing, and it's supposed to hold a charge for 2.5 hours of recording. The 32 gigabyte card that it recommends, class 10 for fast filming, should last a long time. So I think one card will do you for a full hunting day pretty easily. Let's connect the Tactacam to a rifle. Here's my hunting rifle. It's a Browning A-bolt, and here's the Tactacam. Because I'm right-handed, I want to keep it out of the way, so I have it on the left side of the gun, as you can see here. I've just gently pinched the holding arms and tightening it with this Allen wrench. When it's tightened, it's fully parallel because of the machining of the mount, and you are ready to go. The nice thing is, the control button is on the top in this position. It can be on the top if you put it on the other side as well, but it's nice. You can just go there and touch it. And we'll take a look at a video that I had taken during my first successful deer hunt of the season. So this finalizes my review of the Tactacam Solo Hunter Package. For the price, it's an amazing device. Right now it's on sale for $149 new. Mine was an open box on eBay for $110. I thought it was fantastic. It's very well made, very clean. There's no cover for the lens. It might behoove us to put a small lens cap on this. It certainly has a nice soft bag, but it doesn't really fit with the mounting scope on it, so some sort of a protection would be a good idea. I'm going to get the device that allows this to fit in so it sees directly through the scope, and when I get that one, then we'll take some videos and I'll share with you that. But that seems like even a more amazing thing, because it will see what you see. So it'll see the magnification we set, the zoom, etc., and be able to film the hunt that way. Again, thank you for your attention. Please subscribe, please like, please comment, and until next time, this is Mountain Journey with Dr. Joe. Thanks again.